If we switch to electric cars instead of internal combustion engines, what kind of roads would we use? Probably plastic roads. We are not kidding, this is a real project. The main idea is to use recycled plastic to create modules and build roads as if they were Lego pieces. If necessary, parking lots, sidewalks, playgrounds, and other infrastructure elements can also be built using these modules. The company notes that they can withstand temperatures from -40 to +80 degrees Celsius, are much faster to assemble, and offer space for pipes, cables, and more. The next generation of sustainable infrastructure, manufacturers say. The system is already in use at the main Dutch airport today. It is common to see pedestrians looking at their phones and not paying attention to their surroundings, walking on autopilot, but drivers at intersections may not have time to react to a person concentrating on their smartphone. Pedestrians can be saved by these signals when near them. When seeing a prompt on their phone screen, pedestrians will stop playing games, looking at their social networks, or other things, and will instead raise their heads and cross the road correctly. Do you think this is a good idea? Then a development for large factories. In them the traffic is sometimes very intense and the machinery very expensive. For that reason, conventional metal barriers are not very convenient. In the event of an accident, they not only deform but also damage the machinery and the ground. That is why a British company has since 1984 promoting this alternative, barriers made of plastic. Today the company supplies barriers to 60 countries around the world. Its elastic design withstands the impact of a 5-ton machine moving at a speed of 6 miles per hour. The flexible structure does not damage the floor, and the plastic barriers are much easier to maintain and replace than their metal counterparts. Here we have a material for road markings. It is a special thermoplastic. It is ideal for high traffic areas, such as highways, as well as for improving pedestrian crossings, parking lots, etc. One of the advantages is its long useful life, which reduces the cost for the city. The material only consists of 2 components. It is respectful with the environment and offers good adhesion. There are a wide variety of solar panels. However, this project from Hungary will surprise you, because now you can place the panels not only on the roof of a house or a car, but also directly on the ground. An innovative and environmentally friendly material made from recycled plastic, the manufacturers say. It is also a great step towards a new architecture because these panels easily adapt to urban spaces. The process is already underway. About 2.5 square kilometers of these panels have been installed, some 440,000 kilowatt hours have been produced, and the panels are non-slip, resistant to vandalism and bad weather, and can even withstand parked cars. There are many electric cars on the planet. Experts estimate that there are already more than 16 million electric cars in the world. Many countries have their own developments in this industry, and Sweden is already testing roads that will recharge electric cars on the go. This is the project that we want to show you today. The first section of 2 kilometers was opened in 2018 between Stockholm and the airport in Ireland. The whole system works automatically, even the payment is automatic. The solution works for both cars and trucks. These projects are part of the Swedish authorities' plan to reduce the number of cars with internal combustion engines. It is necessary to regulate traffic in many areas where it is not possible to install barriers. The alternative is this tire killer. Helps regulate traffic in the right direction and protects the area from unwanted guests, so it can be used both on urban streets and in industrial complexes. The idea is simple. 2-inch high spikes won't harm cars going the right way, but if a driver decides to break the rules and drive the wrong way, the result will be a pair of flat tires. Like cat's eyes, in May 1935, over 80 years ago, the idea came from a British road worker. These reflectors are still used successfully today, although they are now made from modern materials. For example, this version is made from aluminum and polycarbonate. Supports the passage of a car and can be recycled. Beneath the protective cover is a retroreflector that reflects light directly back at the driver, helping them stay on the road in the dark and feel safer in unlit areas. It is estimated that there are 580 million bicycles in the world, so it is not surprising that many countries have taken action to regulate bicycle traffic. These dividers help protect bike lanes from reckless drivers. The lane separator's name is zebra, which explains its colors. Its great advantage lies in the materials. The separator is made with recycled hoses, cable jackets, and other recycled materials. The dividers have no sharp edges and are visible even at night as the stripes reflect light. How safe do you think crosswalks are today? In some countries, the statistics are very bad. That's why engineers continue to work on the security issue and sometimes apply somewhat strange solutions. This crosswalk is located in Quebec, Canada. Its creators explained that one of the safety problems at crossings is that pedestrians do not always check if it is safe to cross and drivers do not do their part either. The solution is a crosswalk pedestrians with markings that become a fence. More than a real solution, it is a social campaign and a reminder that we must treat each other with respect. Here's one more project to improve pedestrian crossings. It is an intelligent zebra crossing. The principle of operation is simple. During the day, when a pedestrian appears on the road, the zebra crossing activates a flashing yellow backlight. At night, the second level of backlight is turned on, allowing drivers to know clearly where are the pedestrians, even in the dark. The system is easy to install since you don't even need a power supply. Everything is powered by solar energy. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video.